Here's how to add admin in Meta Business Suite. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, select See All Profiles and choose your Facebook page from the list. Once you've switched to your page, click on its profile name to open its profile settings. Here, scroll down the left-hand menu and click on Meta Business Suite. Now, click on the drop-down menu in the top left corner. From here, select the business portfolio or asset where you want to invite someone. If you haven't created a business portfolio yet, you can create one from this section. Otherwise, select your existing business portfolio. Next, click on Business Settings next to the portfolio. At the top of the page, click on People. This is where you can add people to your Meta Business Suite. Click on Invite People in the top right corner, and this window will pop up. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. You can also enable temporary access if you only want this person to have access for a limited period. If you want to give them permanent access, leave this option turned off and click Next. Now, choose the level of access you want to provide. To give the person full admin access, select Full Control and click Next. You'll then need to choose the business assets this person can manage. Select the Facebook or Instagram account you want to give them access to. Next, choose the permissions you want this person to have. You can give them partial access or scroll down to select Full Control to allow them to manage everything associated with the business. Once you've selected the appropriate permissions, click Next. Finally, click Send Invitation. The person will receive an invitation through their email or Facebook account. Once they accept it, they'll have the access you've assigned to them, including full admin access if you selected Full Control. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.